What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Now first thing you should do is to go directly to Amazon Associates. Then you have to go to this link and here you will have to sign up or create an account. But here in my case, I have signed in already. We'll show you a page like this one right here. What you should do is to simply click on sign up. Then once you click on sign up, you will have to click on create your Amazon account. Then once you log in into your account, it will show you this process. You'll have to enter some information and click on next till you fill in all the information and data needed. Then once you finish, it will show you a page like this one right here. And now you can start promote products, but you cannot actually do this from this page right here. So we have to go to Amazon itself, then sign in and try to promote any product that we want. Then once you enter Amazon shop using your account, you will see here on the top this bar right here with the gray color, which is related to Amazon Associates. And what you should do is to simply click on get link, then click on text. And once you click on text, it will show you the text link right here. And you can simply copy it and put it inside your Pinterest. But now you should create a Pinterest photo like this one right here in order to put the link inside it. So now I'm going to use Canva to create a Pinterest pin or any contact about the product on our Pinterest. So now I'm going to type here, for example, Pinterest, then choose Pinterest pin as you can see. Now it will show me multiple options. Anyway, you can simply choose any one of these templates in order to put your product. So I'm going to choose this one here, for example, then click on customize this template. And once you enter this page, you can simply choose whatever content that you want. So let me now choose, and now let me go to Amazon itself and choose a watch, for example. So I'm going to go into this one. Then I will click on save image as. Then I'm going to save this picture inside my PC. Then you can simply go back here to Canva and choose projects from this site right here. Then choose images. And you can simply go to your PC, then drag it from your PC into your project on Canva. Now here you have the photo. You can simply now delete this one right here and drag this one and put it inside here. And you can actually rotate it if you want. You can rotate it like this. You can also increase its size. Let's say that this one is perfect. Now let's say that we have finished. It's not that good, I know, but just for the demonstration, you can simply go and click on share. And once you click on share, you can simply click on download in order to download your photo from Canva. And now what you do is to go to Pinterest, then click on create right here and download the photo of the product that you want. Then go to downloads this photo, download it or upload it. Then after that, you'll have to add all of these description and title. Then you can simply copy the link of the product by going to this bar on the top, then click on text as we said before. Then you can simply copy the link of the product and paste it right here, then click on add products. And you can also add some hashtags here in the description or in the title. Then you can simply click on publish. And that is it. This is how you can actually promote Amazon affiliate links and earn money with this trick. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.